Hey science peeps, today is November 23rd, and today we're going to learn about two big concepts, rotation and revolution. And just in case you were wondering, this is chapter 1, lesson 2 from our book. Today we're going to learn about what exactly rotation is, and here is a picture example of rotation. Right, it's the spinning of the Earth on its axis, and you might be surprised to learn exactly how long it takes for the Earth to spin around once completely on its axis. You're going to learn about exactly that time length today. The other concept we're going to talk about is revolution. And different from social studies revolution, in science, a revolution is the amount of time it takes for a planet to go around one full elliptical around the sun, or the moon to go around once around the Earth, just depending on which object you're talking about. And again, you might be surprised exactly how long one revolution on Earth is. You might know, it might not be a surprise, but it may be. And we're going to talk about those numbers and about some other concepts today. So once we finish our Paradex slides, and I tell you here we're doing slides 29 through 42 solely on rotation and revolution, you're going to go ahead and go to these slides here about rotation and revolution. So what you're going to do is follow the directions on each of the slides. The first slide, so you're doing slides 2, 3, and 4. Here's slide number 2, and you're just going to drag the words into the correct boxes. You can always refer back to those slides to help you with your answers. The second slide, same thing, and you're going to be looking at the concept of revolution and putting the words in the correct boxes. And then finally, on the last slide for today, is you're going to compare and contrast rotation and revolution by dragging the boxes into the correct section. If you get finished before the class is over, go ahead and go to your vocabulary and continue with whatever you were doing last week. So if you started with choice number 1, which was your Quizlet activities, you should have 2 Quizlet activities completed. So now move on and continue working on your Quizlet. By the end of the unit, all of these are going to be completed, and it's going to count as an individual practice grade. If you're working on choice number 2, the flashcards, remember the first flashcard should have the definition. The second flashcard should have a picture of your definition of your term, and then you're going to put the term underneath the picture. So for example, if you're defining revolution, the second slide will have a picture showing revolution. It could be a picture or a GIF, and then you're actually going to write the word revolution under that picture. And in another couple of weeks, all of these activities, either in Quizlet or the flashcards, depending on what you're doing, should be completed. I have down here just some resources. So these are not assignments. These are just resources for you to take another look at the concepts of rotation, revolution. We're also going to talk tomorrow about what causes the seasons, because all of these concepts are related in one. So wait for my video for that tomorrow. Okay, I will see you back in class. CG out.